Hey Addie, today we have a speaking English lesson. So we're gonna learn how to have romantic conversation in English.
If loving you is wrong, then I don't ever want to be right.
I would love to spend the rest of my life in your arms.
Your touch sends chills up and down my spine.
I'm sure the other girls are envious that I get you all to myself.
I had no idea what true love was until I met you.
I'm absolutely crazy about you.
I love making you smile.
I feel safe whenever I'm with you.
I wish I could hold you in my arms for the rest of my life and never let go.
I'm always having a great day whenever I get to spend it with you.
When you are in the room, no one else matters.
I love you because you treat me like a princess.
My heart starts racing every time I see you.
You're my everything.
I love the feelings of being loved by you.
I'd give anything just to be with you.
When I'm with you, the world looks so perfect.
Life with you is like a dream.
I'm so addicted to you and the way you love me.
How did I ever get so lucky to be your girl?
You always know exactly what to say to make me feel better.
You're the first thing I think of every time I wake up, and the last thing I think of just before I go to sleep.
I'd rather be broke than give you up for all the money in the world.
Every time I get a text, I hope it's from you.
You are my number one priority.
I've been fantasizing about you all day.
You make the world a brighter place.
You're the only person I ever need in my life.
I cannot breathe without you. You fulfill my needs in every aspect.
You're the one man I want, and I will never settle for anything else.
My favorite place to be is in your arms. When I'm not with you, I feel lost.
I will never give up on us.
You're the center of my universe.
Words are not enough to explain how much I love you.
I'm living the perfect life because I start and end each and every day with you.
I still get butterflies every time I see you.
All I ever wanted is you.
I dream of spending the rest of my life with you.
I wouldn't say a single thing about you. You're perfect the way you are.
You're the love of my life, my one true soulmate.
I never knew what love was until I met you.
You own my heart. Every day you push me higher.
I'd go crazy if something ever happened to you.
For the first time in my life, I don't have to make an effort to be happy. It just happens when I'm with you. I become a better woman when I found you. When you love someone and they love you back, you know you found happiness, and I'm happy because I have you. For the first time in my life, I don't have to make an effort to be happy. It just happens when I'm with you.